Welcome to my channel, the Knowledge Park Institute. Any confusion, one solution for classes 5 to 12 CBSE and IC Board All Subject.
Types of sentences. 1. Declarative sentences. Definition. Declarative sentences make statements or assertions. They provide information, express opinions, or state facts. Structure. Declarative sentences end with a period, full stop. Example: the sun rises in the east. 2. Interrogative sentences. Definition. Interrogative sentences ask questions. They seek information or clarification. Structure. Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. Example: what time is the meeting? 3. Imperative sentences. Definition. Imperative sentences give commands, instructions, or directives. They express a desire or request action. Structure. Imperative sentences typically lack a subject, though it is implied, and end with a period or exclamation mark. Example: please close the door. 4. Exclamatory sentences. Definition. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions or feelings. They convey excitement, surprise, joy, anger, or admiration. Structure. Exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark. Example: what a beautiful sunset. Additional types. 5. Simple sentences. Definition. Simple sentences consist of one independent clause containing a subject and a predicate. Example: she sings. 6. Compound sentences. Definition. Compound sentences consist of two or more independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions such as and, but, or. Example: she sings and he dances. 7. Complex sentences. Definition. Complex sentences consist of one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, which cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Example: while I was reading, she was studying. 8. Compound complex sentences. Definition. Compound complex sentences consist of two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Example: she finished her work, but he continued working because the deadline was approaching. Functions of different sentence types. 1. Declarative sentences. Provide information or convey facts, used in statements, explanations, or descriptions. 2. Interrogative sentences. Seek information, clarification, or confirmation, used in asking questions or initiating conversations. 3. Imperative sentences. Give commands, instructions, or requests, used in directing actions or expressing desires. 4. Exclamatory sentences. Express strong emotions, feelings, or reactions, used in expressing excitement, surprise, or emphasis.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.